Can your food make you sick? Studies have shown spikes in sugar intake suppress your immune system. When your immune system is compromised, you are more likely to get sick. If you eat a lot of foods and beverages high in sugar or refined carbohydrates, which the body processes as sugar, you may be reducing your body's ability to ward off disease. Eating a well-rounded diet high in pretty, colorful veggies and fruits will give your body the vitamins and minerals it needs to fight off illness. These foods help your body regulate and stabilize to work at peak performance, says our doctors. Believe it or not, what you put in your mouth serves as one building block to a strong immune system. Our doctors advise against consuming these things in excess because research has proven them to compromise your immune response, making infections more likely. Soda, processed food, foods and drinks high in sugar, refined carbohydrates, alcoholic beverages. And while they are not parts of a food, tobacco products can also compromise or lower your immune system. To go to the extra mile in ensuring you do have a strong immune system, research suggests that eating garlic and foods high in vitamin C helps ward off infection. The next time you reach for junk food, realize that you not only are affecting your weight, but you may be letting down your resistance to bacteria, viruses and parasites. Now let's discuss about the food one by one. First, let's talk about soda. You know soda isn't the best choice when you want to hydrate. But is diet soda a better option? Unfortunately not. While it's free from microbiome disrupting sugar, diet soda is chock full of artificial ingredients, including sweeteners. Studies have shown that these ingredients can reduce levels of beneficial bacteria in your gut and have adverse effect on glucose metabolism, which has an extended effect on how well your body is able to respond to potential threats. Number 2 is processed food. We all know that eating fast food isn't the best for your body, but surely a burger here and there can't be all that bad for your immune system, can it? In one study, mice who ate a diet that was high in sugar and low in fiber had some striking physical responses after a month. Their bodies were acting like they were fighting off microbial invaders, and their systems did not get back to normal when they switched a healthier diet. While the acute immune response died down, their immune system more generally stayed in that ready-to-react stage. Every little thing is really rough on your immune system. That burger and fries could really come back to bite you. Now let's talk about foods and drinks high in sugar. It's no surprise that sugar is on the list of foods to avoid. Unwanted strains of bacteria positively thrive on sugar. Since your bacterial good guys are reason or responsible for a whole host of health-promoting functions in the body, they can have negative effect on your mood, your blood sugar levels, and of course your immune function. The more sugar in your system, the harder it is for your immune cells to get the vitamin C they need to function, resulting in an up to 40% decrease in effectiveness lasting for hours after you consume the sugar. Sugar directly impacts your immune system by competing for space with vitamin C, a core nutrient for your immune cells. Number 4 is refined carbohydrates. Carbohydrates can be incredibly healthy for you, providing much needed fatty acids like omega-3 and vitamin E, but only when they are produced in a way that strips out the nutrients and mutates the natural molecular structure of carbohydrates. If you think that sounds like it can't possibly be good for you, you are right. Eating food containing lot of carbohydrates can put a lot of stress on your immune system, leading to the production of free radicals and damage your delicate tissues and put your body through bouts of temporary inflammation. All of this is bad news for your immune system, reducing its ability to function and leaving you more likely to feel unwell. Rather stick to high quality cold pressed oils, coconut oils, ghee, organic extra virgin olive are all good bets. They are not only much less likely to cause immune system but are also good source of other healthy nutrients. Alcoholic beverages. Have you ever noticed that it seems to be easier to pick up a bug if you have been drinking a little more than usual? It's not all in your head. It also reduces the function of your macrophages, messing with your immunoglobulin and cytokines levels, and also impairing the production of T cells and B cells, both of which act as first responders in the body. What's more, drinking alcohol can affect your hormones, disrupting your circadian rhythm, your sleep cycles, and closely connected to your immune function. So alcohol-related changes in your circadian rhythm can also have you feeling unwell before you know it. While these effects are most noticeable in people who regularly drink to excess, even moderate drinking can temporarily lower your immune function, especially if you are having all your drinks back to back instead of spreading them out over a couple days. Now let's talk about the conclusion. Finally, your immune supporting efforts by supplementing with a premium probiotic like Hyperbiotics Immune to help maintain your healthy gut microbiome and discourage the damaging effects of a modern lifestyle on your immune function. With additional immune-specific additions like bioavailable vitamin C, zinc, and echinacea C, this powerful daily immune formula can help you keep feeling your best no matter what life throws your way.